What I would suggest is that if it's cold, use a hair dryer and warm this up and peel this back. You're gonna have, this is your airbag right here, so be careful with this, by the way. You're gonna wanna peel this back to a place where you can get complete access to the door actuator right here. If you use that same hair dryer or a heat gun, you can heat this material back up and adhere this back down. If you can't and you have to replace it, which like I said in a E83, I replaced all of these seals and redid all of this gasket. It's a window gasket like you have for windshields, and you can buy it in big rolls. It comes out in rolls kind of like taffy, and you lay it on there and squish it on and it works. So the real goal here is to really carefully peel this back to a place at least to about the airbag so you can get in. So I'm going to work on getting this peeled back and then I'll show you how to get the actuator out because that will be next.